Imagine holding a camera that feels less like a tool and more like a creative superpower. A camera built not just to take pictures, but to stop time with a kind of clarity and soul that almost doesn't feel real. Today, we're diving into the Nikon D850, the camera that many photographers say changed their entire relationship with photography. If you're thinking about buying it, switching to it, or simply want to know why this camera is still a legend in 2025, stay right here because you're about to see exactly why the D850 is in a league of its own. Before we start, imagine for a moment that you're standing at the edge of a quiet forest. Morning light is cutting through the trees. You bring the D850 to your eye, press the shutter, and the image you get back looks so real, it feels like you could reach out and touch the dew on those leaves. That's the magic this camera delivers. And throughout this video, you'll understand how and why it does this so consistently. The Nikon D850 isn't just a camera with specs. It's a camera with a personality. And once you spend time with it, it's hard to go back to anything else. In a world obsessed with mirrorless cameras, spec sheets, and software tricks, the D850 quietly stands there, steady, reliable, and brutally powerful. It's like choosing a classic American muscle car in a parking lot full of electric vehicles. The alternatives may be faster on paper, but few things feel quite like the D850 in your hands. So let's talk about that heart of the camera, the 45.7 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. And don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with tech jargon. Here's what you actually need to know. This sensor is the reason images from the D850 feel alive. The tones, the detail, the depth, you don't just see your photos, you feel them. Landscapes look epic. Portraits look expensive. Wildlife looks heroic. And everyday scenes suddenly look cinematic. That's what this sensor does. Now imagine the freedom of cropping deep into your image without losing quality. You could shoot a landscape, crop out a tiny bird in the corner of the frame, and still walk away with a printable, sharp result. That's the kind of resolution we're talking about. It's a creative safety net, but also a creative weapon. And then there's the dynamic range. One of the things photographers love the most about the D850. Think about all those moments when you're shooting outdoors. Bright skies, deep shadows, highlights that usually blow out. With the D850, you can recover details from dark areas that most other cameras simply give up on. It almost feels like cheating, like the camera is reaching into the shadows and pulling out information you didn't even realize was there. But raw power is only half the story. Let's talk about speed. Because if you've ever used an older high-resolution DSLR, you know they can be slow. The D850 breaks that stereotype. You get bursts of up to 7 frames per second, 9 with the battery grip. And yes, that might not sound insane compared to mirrorless cameras, but here's the surprising thing. The D850 feels fast. The shutter sound is confident. The autofocus snaps to your subject in a way that feels reassuring. It's like the camera is telling you, I've got this, just focus on the moment. And speaking of autofocus, this is where the D850 earns a lot of respect. The same autofocus system found in Nikon's flagship sports camera, the D5. And if you know anything about the D5, you know Nikon gave it that AF system to do one thing: never miss. When you're shooting moving subjects, wildlife, kids, sports, anything unpredictable, the D850 locks in like it has a personality of its own. It tracks subjects with this sense of determination and confidence that makes you trust your shot even before you take it. But let's take a moment to talk about what it's like to actually hold this camera. Because when you pick up the D850, it immediately tells you something. This is a tool built for serious work. It feels solid, balanced, purposeful. There's a weight to it, not heavy, but substantial. And that's intentional. It gives you stability. It's comfortable. The grip melts into your hand. And when you press your finger on that shutter button, it feels like you're firing something powerful, not tapping a sensor. And if you've ever shot with mirrorless cameras for a long session, you know how fatigue creeps in. The D850 avoids that. This thing is designed to be held for hours. Wedding photographer swear. Buy it. Documentary shooters love it. Wildlife shooters depend on it. It's not just a camera, it's a workhorse. Then comes the viewfinder. Not an electronic simulation, but a real optical window into the world. When you look through it, you're seeing reality, not a digital preview. There's no lag, no flicker, no artificial edge enhancement. Just pure, uninterrupted vision. And there's something special about that, something grounding. Many photographers say it brings them into the moment more deeply. With an EVF, you're watching a screen. With a D850, you're watching life. Now let's talk about video. Because yes, the D850 may be a photography beast, but it also does 4K video without cropping. That means your lenses behave exactly the way they're supposed to. Your wide angles stay wide. Your fields of view remain natural. And even though it's not marketed as a cinema camera, the footage comes out surprisingly beautiful, sharp, clean, full of detail. It's a favorite for YouTubers, wedding videographers, and anyone who wants high-quality video with that full-frame depth and feel. And if you're someone who loves time-lapses, this camera is basically a dream. You can shoot full 8K time-lapses straight in camera. Think about that for a moment. 8K. If you've ever wanted to capture stars, sunsets, cityscapes, or dramatic weather shifts, the D850 turns these scenes into cinematic sequences effortlessly. But here's something important you won't see on a spec sheet. The Nikon D850 is a camera that grows with you. In a world where cameras are replaced by new models every year, the D850 is one of those rare machines that stays relevant. You can start as a beginner and grow into a professional without ever feeling held back. It's not a camera you outgrow. It's a camera you grow into. Now let's talk about reliability. Because creative work isn't just about inspiration, it's about trust. The D850 is weather-sealed, dust-sealed, built like a tank. You can take it into rain, desert, cold, heat. People have taken on mountains, safaris, storms, hikes, jungles, you name it. And it just keeps going. That's something you don't appreciate until you need it. But once you experience that kind of trust in your gear, it changes everything. There's also that massive battery life, something mirrorless shooters often envy. With the D850, you don't worry about constantly recharging or swapping batteries. You shoot and shoot and shoot. All day. Weddings? Easy. Travel? No problem. Wildlife? Covered. This freedom alone can transform your shooting experience. But if we're being honest, the thing people love most about the D850 usually isn't the specs. It's the feeling they get when they look at the images. The way colors come alive. The way the details hold up even when you zoom in far more than you probably should. The way the photos feel rich, dimensional, and crafted. There's something organic about D850 files, something people often describe as real, honest, or authentic. And that's not marketing. That's just how the camera renders the world. Now, you might be wondering, with all the new mirrorless cameras out there, why is the D850 still so respected? The answer is simple, because it delivers. Consistently, predictably, powerfully. It's a camera that doesn't need firmware updates every few months. It doesn't rely on experimental features. It doesn't need hype. It's already proven itself, and photographers trust what they know works. Many people who switch to mirrorless eventually return to the D850 for serious work. Not because mirrorless is bad, it's great, but because the D850 has something that's hard to quantify: balance, power, reliability, and an image quality that still competes with newer cameras years later. And yes, there are things like focus stacking in camera, silent mode for certain situations, tilting touchscreen, and dual memory card slots. But the real magic is how everything comes together. This camera isn't defined by one feature. It's defined by the harmony of all of them. It's once-in-a-lifetime weddings, high-speed action, or simple, everyday beauty. So if you're considering the D850, here's the real question. Do you want a camera that simply takes photos, or do you want a camera that makes you feel something every time you use it? Because if you want the latter, you already know the answer. And as we wrap up, think about where your photography could go with a tool that pushes you to see differently, to shoot differently, to dream bigger. The Nikon D850 isn't just a choice, it's a statement. A step toward a new level of creativity. And once you take that step, it's hard to imagine going back.